If you want to delete a document in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to remove a Word file from your list so you can keep your documents organized and clean. This is especially helpful if you've got old files, duplicate drafts, or documents you no longer need. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word loads, look at the left-hand menu on the Start screen. From there, click Open. This will take you to the area where your recent documents and saved files are listed. Now find the document you want to delete. You may see it in your recent files, or you may need to browse through your folders depending on where it's saved. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct file, especially if you have similar document names. Once you've found the document, right-click on the document name. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Delete File. This tells Microsoft Word that you want to remove the document from your system. After that, Word may ask you to confirm the deletion. This is an important step because once you confirm, the file will be removed. Click Confirm to finish the process. If prompted again by your computer, make sure you really want to delete the file before proceeding. And that's it. You've now deleted a document in Microsoft Word. It's a fast and easy way to clean up your workspace and get rid of files you no longer need. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.